Hi everyone, good evening. I just did my interval training today. It's a 800-meter repeats. And another term is a VO2 max workout ang ginawa ko. And it's hard. Like, the average pace is 3 minutes and 9 seconds per kilometer. What actually VO2 max is? VO2 max is basically our engine size. Kasi the higher the VO2 max, the better performance you will have on any activities that has a cardiovascular related activities like running, skiing, swimming, biking. Yan. Kapag mataas VO2 max mo, mas maganda yung performance mo kasi VO2 max is the measure of how efficiently our body can consume oxygen during intense activities. This VO2 max reflects the strength of our cardiovascular. So, it's the combination of our heart, lungs, and muscle works together. I will admit it, at admit nating lahat, VO2 max, it's hard. Like, during your first, second, third set, that's the point na mafe-feel mo talaga na sobrang bigat sa legs, sa lungs, parang lahat. But, during the fourth, the fifth, and the succeeding sets, that's where the gains actually happening. Kaya kapag nag-set kayo ng VO2 max workout, make sure you can finish it up until the end. My advice, if you want to incorporate VO2 max training on your exercise or your training, make sure you have a really good base. Focus first on base building, which includes building your aerobic capacity, strength workout, doing drills. Maraming taong nagsasabi, waist building is just doing the aerobic thing. No, it's not. You have to include also the other small details or the part of the puzzle for you to improve, like running drills. Kasi kung hindi okay yung running form mo, you'll just waste so much energy doing unnecessary movement during your run. Kaya dapat you have to work on your running form. Strength. Kasi yung iba, magandang lang strength nila, but the muscle don't have the strength. So, if those things don't work together, focus muna dun sa mga small things na dapat mong gawin during the base building. So, that's it for today's video and follow for more training tips.